If you're seeing a 404 not found error in Google Chrome, don't worry. In most cases, it's something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to troubleshoot the issue, step by step, so you can get the page loading again as fast as possible. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, try refreshing the web page. Sometimes a 404 error happens because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a simple refresh can solve it immediately. Press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard to perform a hard refresh. This forces Chrome to reload the page completely instead of using a stored version. It's a quick and easy first step, and you'd be surprised how often it works. Next, check the website address carefully. Look at the URL in the address bar and make sure everything is typed correctly. Even a tiny mistake, like one missing letter, an extra slash, or an incorrect page name, can trigger a 404 error. So take a moment to verify the spelling, make sure there are no extra characters, and confirm the link is complete. If the address is wrong, correcting it may instantly fix the problem. If the page still isn't loading, the next step is to restart Google Chrome. Close Chrome completely, not just the tab, and then open it again. Sometimes temporary browser glitches can interfere with page loading, and restarting the browser clears out small issues that may be causing the error. Once Chrome reopens, try visiting the page again and see if it loads properly. Now let's clear Chrome cache and cookies, because corrupted or outdated browser data can sometimes cause pages to display incorrectly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. After that, reload the page and check if the 404 error is gone. This step is especially useful if the website has recently changed, but Chrome is still trying to load an older saved version. If that doesn't solve it, search for the page again in Google. Go to Google search and type in the page name, the website title, or the topic you're looking for. In many cases, the page may have moved to a new URL, or the website owner may have changed the link structure. Searching again can help you find the updated page instead of relying on an old broken link. Another thing to try is disabling Chrome extensions. Some extensions can interfere with websites and prevent them from loading correctly. Click the three dots in Chrome, go to Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. From there, disable anything that might affect browsing, especially VPN extensions, ad blockers, or security extensions. Once they're turned off, refresh the page and test again. If the site loads after disabling an extension, then you found the cause. So to quickly recap, if you get a 404 not found error in Google Chrome, start by hard refreshing the page, check the URL for mistakes, restart Chrome, clear your cache and cookies, search for the page again, and disable any problematic extensions. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Chrome troubleshooting tips and step-by-step computer help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.